So exercise 3.3 problem 1. So solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. It's substitution methods. So we have seen that how to solve a linear pair of equation to results in different methods. Substitution methods, um, and we have another methods also by cross multiplication, by comparing, hmm, like all these things we have. So substitution method is one of the method. Okay, by elimination method and all these things. So now substitution methods means we have to see that one variable, write one equation in terms of one variable and put that variable in another equation and solve. So this is substitution method. Okay, now we will solve this as easy as possible. For problem 1, it is x plus y. X plus y is equal to how much is given? 14. Another equation, x minus y, given as 4. Okay, this we can very easily solve by elimination method. Just add it, y will get cancelled and we can get x value. But it is asking substitution method, no? So therefore we have to write one variable in terms of others and substitute that. So here in the second equation we can write very easily. So while substituting also, to see which equation we can easily write in one variable. So just you put left side, keep x side, bring this to right side. So it will become y plus 4. Right. Now this y plus 4 put in the first equation. So that will become x plus y plus what we are writing. Sorry. So this is in the place of x you write y plus 4 because we got y, x is equal to y plus 4. So we are writing in the place of x in the first equation y plus 4. Already y is there here. So 14. This is y plus y, 2y. 2y is equal to this 4, bring this side 10. What is y? Bring to this side 5. That's all. This again, this 5 put back in the given, we got elimination. So we put x is equal to 5 plus 4. So this is 9. Therefore we got x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5. Okay, that's all. Next problem. Next one is s minus t is equal to 3. What it is given? S minus t is 3. Another equation is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6 is given. Now just you take from this first equation s is equal to t plus 3. Very simple, because bring t to right side, minus t will become plus t. Now put wherever this s is there, t plus 3 we can put. So this will become t plus 3 by 2 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now take LCM. So this will become 2t plus 6 plus 3t plus 3 into 6 plus 36 will become. So therefore 2t plus 3t, 5t, here I am writing 5t is equal to 6, bring this side, so 36 minus 6, 30. So t is equal to 30 by 5, so it is simply 6. Okay, now put this t value. How much we got t value here? 6. Put in the s minus we got here, no? What is s is equal to 3 plus t. T is how much we got? 6. So therefore 3 plus 6, so 9. So therefore s is equal to 9, t is equal to how much? 6. Next one. Third is, this is little bit this equation is tricky. So actually first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3. Second is 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. See here, the second equation is nothing but 3x minus y is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. That's all. You see 3 into 3 is 9x, minus 3 into y minus 3y, 3 into 3 9. So that means the same equation we have written 2 times just by multiplying. If I take the second equation 3 common and then bring that to right side because 0 by 3. So this becomes again same equation. Both equations are same. What I meant is both are same. The same line is represented by both. That means we will have infinite solutions. We have infinite solution and a single solution we cannot find out. There will be infinite solutions. In that case, we will compare equations. So 3 by 9 minus 1 by 3, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Okay, you have seen that a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Okay, all are equal. Just see 1 by 3 and it is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. That means it is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Therefore, because all these are same, we have all in this case same. All the equations, that means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is equal to c1 by c2, that is equal to 1 by 3 we got. So this implies the system of linear equations are consistent. The system of the given linear equations are consistent and has infinite solutions, right? Next one is fourth one. It is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, 0.4x plus 0.5x 2.3. Okay, 2.3. Now the easy way is, let us remove this all decimal points. We know that 0.2 is equal to how much? 2 by 10. We know that 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. Because for decimal, if you remove, it is 1, and for any after decimal, how many digits are there? Only 1, 0. So 2 by 10. So therefore, I can write this as 2 by 10x. This is 3 by 10x. Sorry, 3 by 10y. It is 113 by 10. All these 10 are there. If I multiply whole equation by 10, this 10 will get rid of. Or we can say just simply also we can cut less. These all 10. So this will become how much? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. It becomes the equation. Now, second equation also same. Second equation what? 0.4x plus 0.5y 2.3. This can be written as what? 4x by 10 plus 5y by 10, 23 by 10. Same, this also simplifies. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Now these two equations we have to solve. This one and the earlier one. Earlier one, how much we got here? It is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2 after simplification. Now this is to be solved. Now in this, what is 2x here? We can write 2x is, bring that 3y this side, 13 minus 3y by 3y. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. Put this in the second equation. So this is 4 into 13 minus 3y by 2 plus 5y is equal to 23. This will 2 goes to 2 times. So what is left here? 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. So this is 26 minus y is equal to 23. If I bring y that side and bring this side, 3y is equal to how much? 3. Now put this y3 in the given equation. 2x plus 3y is there, no? or any one equation you can put 4x or in 5y, any one we can put here. So this will become how much? And the 4x will put here 4x plus 5y, 5 into 3 is equal to 23, 5 is a 15. So 4x is equal to 15 goes that side, it becomes how much? 8 it becomes. Means this will be 23 minus 15. That is how much? 8. X is equal to 8 by 4. That is 2. This implies x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. X is equal to y is equal to 3. We got. Next one. What is the next one? Fifth one. It is, fifth is given as root, in the roots it is given, no, nothing to worry, root 2x plus root 3y. Another is root 2x minus root 8y. See, I'll just tell you, this will be simply x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Just you put x is equal to 0 in both equations here and in the first equation, second equation, it satisfies. That means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, simply. And also we have, whenever a line in the form of ax plus by is equal to 0, and one more line has something a1x plus b1y is equal to 0, the common solution is always x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Both the lines will pass through origin. Both any of this form ax plus by, any line in the form ax plus by is 0, always passes through what? Always this passes through. For different lines this passes through origin. For different values of a and b, this always passes through origin. That implies x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Right? This is x is equal to 0 and y, because origin passes through origin. Okay. Now we'll solve this. Now, anyway, we can solve this one. So root 2x plus root 3y. So we can say what is x value? Bring this minus root 3 other side. Root 3y it becomes by root 2. This is what we have to do. Put in the any one equation. Put second equation. So it is root 3 into what is x value? Minus of root 3y by root 2. Okay. Already root 2 is there here. Right. Root 3 by 2 into, okay, sorry, this root 2 is not there, this is root 3. So now, minus, what is that again? Root 8y. This is 0. Now this will become, what is this one become? Root 3 into root 3 minus 3y. Okay. Minus 3y. I will write here. It will become minus root 3 into root 3 is 3 y by root 2 plus root 8y is 0. Right. If I bring that side, what it becomes? 3y by root 2 is equal to root 8y. Okay. So this means y is equal to, this will become, both sides y is there. So therefore y will become how much? 0. Or even if you take common also, it will be same thing. We take common also, this will become how much? If I take common, y will become, this if I write, actually I can show you, this if I write here, both y cancels. So this is not possible. This implies to us, so this implies not equal to 0, so this implies y is equal to 0. Both if I cancel, both 0 should come. So this is possible only when y is 0. Therefore y value is 0. Or else also you can take, if I take y common in this only, it becomes how much? Minus. If I take y common, this becomes, this is, I think I made, this one is minus actually. This is the previous case. Root 3x, no? Correct only. Okay, right. So minus, this is actually minus, it is there here. Okay, this is minus. In the given problem, it is minus because it is root 3x minus root 8y is 0 given. So in the place of x, we are putting root 3 by root 3 by root 3 into y. Root 3 into root 3 becomes, it becomes minus root 3 by root 2y substituted. Root 3 into root 3 became minus 3 y by root 2. So this is minus. So this will become, this is, I bought this side, so one side minus and one side is equal to, it became, and it is y cancel here. Now I can say that y is 0 in this way. So this is one way, this is just simply, this is, with this I can say this is y. Or we can say this way also. This is, we can just take common y. When I take common y, what I'll get? Minus 3 by root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 0. So here also what simple y is, this is possible, only y is equal to 0. So when y is 0, automatically x also will be 0. Because why? Because x is equal to what we got here? Minus root 3 by root 2 into y. So this is, so x is 0, y is 0. Is the equation. Got the solution. Now the last one, I suppose. Last one is sixth one. It is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2 is given. The other equation is given as x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So 3x by 2 minus 5y by 2 minus 2, and x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. This equation you multiply with 6. This also multiply with 6. Why 6 means it is LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. This if you multiply, this will become very simply as a plain equation, means linear equation becomes without any fractions. So when I multiply with 6, the first equation becomes 6 to 3 times goes 9x. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. The second equation becomes how much? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 when I multiply with 6. Now we can solve these two. So from this equation I can write 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y, and x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. Put this in the first equation, means 9 into 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12, right? So it's minus 12. This if I simplify with 9 multiply, it becomes 117 minus 27y minus 20y is equal to minus 24. Okay, just taking LCM and multiplying with 9 in this equation. This is with the 9 multiplying this inside the brackets and 2 taking LCM. What I am going to get is this one, 117 minus 27 minus 20 minus 24. This is nothing but 47y, bringing this side, remaining all one side, both variables one side and constant one side. I'll get 117 plus 24, that is equal to 141. Therefore y is equal to 141 by 47, that is 3. Now put this 3 value in the any one equation in the above. So we can simply put in the 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. In this equation we'll put y is equal to 3. 2x plus 3 into 3 is 13. So 2x is 9 goes that side, it becomes 4. X is equal to how much? 2. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 is the required answer. Hope you understood. 6th over, all problems, all bits are over. We'll stop here.